Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Project W114. So before we review the car fully, we have to do a final step first. So Farhan, what are we doing here?
So as you can see, we are here at Detail Inc. to detail the car. So before we even review the car, we want the car to be in immaculate and beautiful condition, right?
Yep.
So that's why we are here. So why don't we check out with the guys what's up? So we're now with the car inside the studio and we have our friends here from Detail Inc. So guys, why don't you tell me more about yourself?
Hi guys, my name is Juliet.
My name is Declan and we are from Detailing.
So Detailing is founded last year June lah. And how this started is I had a showroom last time and my partner here. Yeah. And because you're a car enthusiast, so we connected together and opened this shop lah.
So bro, how did you feel when I actually told you that I needed a car to be detailed, but I never really tell you that it's like over 50 years old lah. So did you get like a good surprise?
It's a good surprise. Really quite shocking lah. Yeah.
We didn't really expect anyone to contact us themselves to do a classic car.
Because I've seen you guys do quite a number of like high-end cars, like supercars and all lah. I think like that's your forte lah. So I wanted to give you guys a challenge, hence I brought this. And I feel that it was a good challenge. Was it a good challenge?
Kind of good.
Yeah. If I'm not wrong, you guys have already done this panel, right?
Yes, correct. We did the entire front half of the car. We took out the lights, the bonnet to do the
Oh yeah, it's
chrome
so
lah.
much clearer now. Previously it was a bit dull, right bro?
Yes, we even cleaned the inside, but the inside a bit too old already lah.
50-year-old car.
Yes, correct. So what we did was to polish the entire front half of the car first to see the difference lah.
So what's the process like? Is it like cleaning or?
Yes, prior to the polishing, we did the wash, which is rinsing down, then soap down, and then we use the wash mitt from top to bottom lah. The entire car, top to bottom, to prevent any dirt in the wash mitt to be carried all over the car. Okay, then after that we do the claying. Claying is basically to remove the contaminants and many small items like that. Very hard to see with the eye. And after that will be the rinsing down again to remove excess soap and then drying down. Yeah, that's for the washing process. Then after that we move the car in to do the polishing. Yep.
So that is used by that machine that is drying?
Yes, we normally, most detailers usually use machine because it
speeds up the process.
speeds up
as well,
the process lah. Yes, correct.
You say you all did the front part, right? So
correct.
the chrome parts also, you're meant to polish it as well.
Yes, correct.
You can see the difference.
Yeah, we did the top and the bottom chrome.
Wow bro, thank you
Yes.
so much man.
No
It's
problem.
way better than before it was.
Bro, the whole car, regardless of whatever we say, definitely looks better from the day we collected. The day we collected it was gone bro.
But look, it looks way better now.
I mean, I would say the car looks almost brand new bro.
Mafia look. Oh.
It's a mafia look.
That's what detailing is all about.
Yeah, it actually brings out, let's say even, I feel after we saw the paint that is being done, I feel like now it's extra glossier.
Because polishing is actually removing layer of lacquer to
Cutting
make
the
it
lacquer lah.
yes, to make it look almost brand new lah. Because the layer of lacquer beneath the damaged lacquer on top is typically new lah. So it's just a
And then to protect that, we go light coating lah.
So what's the coating about bro? Like how does coating helps the car?
coating mainly is to protect the car. It's a sacrificial layer to protect the car. To have more resistance to water spots, UV damage, oxidation, especially when the sun is
Especially
so
white
bright.
cars, they tend to turn yellow quite fast.
Plus your
Yeah. The finishing is basically to remove the micro marrings from the wool and the heavy compound, because those are the wool and the heavy compound is basically to cut a lot faster and deeper than finishing, to remove those imperfections that's on the paint. So finishing is to literally remove those marrings, micro marrings, and also to give it a very deep gloss.
But yeah, you see like the water beading, it goes down straight away, and just a simple white.
A simple white brush
It's
gets the
easier
car clean.
maintenance for customers lah.
That's the importance of polish, coating, and staining.
Alright bro, I don't know if you've done the engine bay, so let's see if it's done.
I can touch.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I can touch, confirm.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, you see, I spoil everything.
What was done here, bro?
We basically use a degreaser, but on those parts where there's no exposed wire lah. So we degrease the entire engine bay, and then we wipe down everything, and then we condition the wires. It's very important to disinfect it lah, especially during these times. Yeah, then after that, after the disinfecting of the interior, we do the entire conditioning of the car.
So leather seats, mid console, dashboard, door panel, roof lining.
Anything
Basically
leather.
yeah.
Anything leather.
Anything that's a material, like leather material.
Leather especially, yes, correct. Because if it's not conditioned and leave it for long and exposed to the sun, the UV rays will damage it and dry it up, so it will crack.
It's just an extra protection from it.
So it lasts longer.
It's like our skin lah. Let's say if our face is too dry, it will have those dead
Freckles and-
skin.
Dry skin is kind.
Yeah, when it's exposed to the sun, it won't have a fast drying up time and also to keep it from cracking in the future.
Also, we live in Singapore. I think like our weather quite harsh lah.
Yeah.
So when we condition the leather, I think it actually prolongs the life of the leather and actually makes the car look better. Yeah.
Yes.
Plus, you see like the shine and the gloss also.
Yeah.
Yes.
The smell also, you see, then the leather smell.
Feels fresher lah in general.
And when you have a fresher car,
You'll feel better, right?
you enjoy the drive more. Right?
Of course.
Wow, it's shook rather than you know a car.
It's attention to details. Even those minute little details, we detailers also must really pay attention to. Because even if customers don't see those tiny details, but it adds so much more to the experience of detailing a car. So let's say the engine bay tight corners, even though the customers don't see it, but we ourselves will feel, as car enthusiasts, will feel shook.
So thank you so much for taking my car in.
No problem.
I think like the first half already looks splendid. Can't wait to see it on the grand review, and I hope to see you guys there also.
Of course.
So, thank you so much, and guys do check out Detail Inc. And I feel that they've done a tremendous job lah. I mean, my car looks really immaculate right now, right, Jen?
The front half.
The front half. So stay tuned till the grand reveal. The car is almost done, and it's been a very, very long day. So till then, stay safe, stay happy, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Cheers. Show me your car. Go buy food.